Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I realized that I never filmed an intro or an outro to this video. Emmy had her 4th birthday and birthday party this past week. I didn't film the actual birthday itself, but I did film all of the prep for it, me setting things up, and I showed you what the finished product looked like. I'm in love with how it turned out. Emmy requested a mermaid themed party, and that is what she got. I looked on Pinterest and got tons of inspiration from there. I just typed in mermaid birthday party, and then I went through and I pinned everything that I loved to one board, and I was able to reference back to it and kind of just take ideas from it and then make them my own as well. I did a lot of my shopping at Dollar Tree actually. They have all kinds of things that you would need for decorating for a birthday party, and obviously it's very cheap there. So if you are going to be doing a birthday party for your little one, make sure that you check Dollar Tree for things like streamers, balloons, candles, gift wrapping. And then you'll also see in the video I sprinkled some beads on the table and some seashells, and those I got from the Dollar Tree. Some fake flowers I got from there, tablecloths. There's all kinds of different glassware if you just need some texture and different colors. And then a lot of things I also got from Amazon, and then last minute things I just picked up from Walmart. So that's what this video is. It's the prep and setup for her mermaid birthday party.
Cause we're spending the night, and it feels alright, but it's over now. Time keeps slipping with your skin next to mine, and your lips I can fight, but it's over now. You brought out the best in me. We had everything we needed. You put me aside and turn out the lights for no reason. Was it a make-believe? Something you never needed? What was it all for? I don't know you anymore. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. Dangerous, selfish ways to love me more these days. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Had a vision, we held on to so tight. To me it was clear, but you lied to me. Now I keep thinking, was I wasting my time letting you into my life? You brought out the best in me. We had everything we needed. You put me aside and turn out the lights for no reason. Was it a make-believe? Something you never needed. What was it all for? I don't know you anymore. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. Dangerous, selfish ways to love me more these days. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. Was it all make-believe? Something you never needed? Or was it all for? I don't know yet anymore. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. Dangerous, selfish ways to love me more these days. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight,
I am back at my house. I set up as much as I could at my parents' house, and I'm liking it so far. It's kind of hard to tell because I couldn't put all the food out obviously, so it does feel a little empty, and it's just hard for me to know, do I like it, do I not? But I left it for now, and now the kids are in bed, and I am going to make the Jello cups, and I'm also going to make mermaid tails out of chocolate to go on top of some cupcakes. So I'm gonna show you guys how I'm doing it, but first let me show you kind of what I'm talking about and the supplies that I'm using. So my vision for the Jello cups, I'm gonna have a white platter. On the bottom of the platter, I'm going to crush up some graham crackers and it's gonna look like sand. And then I'm gonna have these clear cups filled with blue Jello. And then for the mermaid tails, I got these molds from Amazon. They're little mermaid tails. And then I have some white chocolate or white candy coating. I'm gonna melt that and color it with some purple food coloring. And then I'm gonna fill up these molds and they're gonna be little mermaid tails to go on top of the cupcakes. And then I also have some white frosting that I'm gonna dye blue, and I'm gonna pipe that on top of the cupcakes that are already frosted white. And it's gonna kind of look like water, and then the mermaid tails are gonna be sitting on top of the blue icing.
Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Yeah. Maybe I'm just too weak. Maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, 'cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Yeah. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. All breath and motion. I think it's over now. When I look into your eyes, another night and I'm
You had an Ariel birthday party? A mermaid birthday party? What was your favorite thing about your birthday? The cupcakes?
No.
The mermaid tails? Are you gonna open presents soon? Yeah, but first we're gonna sing happy birthday.
Yeah.
And you're gonna blow out your birthday candles.
Let me take it.
Yeah, this one's a kid. And the wheel.
Okay. The two of us will get our picture taken with it.
Uh-oh.
I'll get it.
Sir. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Emmy. Happy birthday to you.
Alright, so that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that maybe this gives you some inspiration for your little one's birthday party, whether it's a mermaid theme or not. If you are not subscribed to my channel, then make sure you guys do that. We actually had our anatomy scan for baby number 3 this morning, and we will be doing a gender reveal here really soon, and I'll be putting that up on YouTube for you guys, so you don't want to miss that video. So make sure you're subscribed. You can also follow me on Instagram at Allie_Gooch to follow us and keep up with us on a more day-to-day basis. And then I also have a wellness Instagram account at simplyessentials_Allie, and there I talk about wellness, non-toxic living. I share tons of DIYs, and I would love to have you come hang out with me there as well. All right guys, I love you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.